Hey, this is Anthony Brown. Just wanted to cover some charts, some things that I was watching today, and some ideas that I'll be watching over the next couple days, next couple weeks. So, just a quick cap on the market. We've got a Doji day, marks indecision. Dojis are really nice for anyone that likes to do counter trend trading like I like to do, especially after a big strong run up like this. Gives you a little bit of meat to sink your teeth into to if you want to play counter trend and go a little short here. Very clear risk reward. Big movers today were the refiners, Valero, VLO. Nice big strong green candle on volume. Tesoro, TSO. Tesoro has a very interesting opportunity this morning. You see, it had this nice gap down. There's a 40-cent discount from yesterday's close if you would have bought at the open. And all those dip buyers that did this morning, I'm sure were incredibly happy because they got a nice big giant green candle here. Western Refining is clearly not the leader in the refining space, but was the leader in today's move, over 12%. What's interesting about today's move is this is the first full day that's been over the 50-day moving average since June 1st. So for the first half of 2009, Western Refining had just been chugging away, making lots of new higher highs until they had their note offering. The note offering was about the same time when oil was really getting moving, and so just had a double whammy on it and gave them the waterfall of death here. I'm a little bummed though. I've been watching Western Refining sporadically over the past couple weeks. Had a couple trades in here. Some of them worked out, some of them didn't. I think what I'm bummed about is I didn't do homework last night, and so I missed this close above the 50-day. I think that was the tell for today's move. And for those that caught on to it, they had a really nice big green candle. Some ideas that I like. Grab some put options on FedEx. Nice little multi-day reversal here. Had this big gap up on Friday. That gap was caused by a pre-release of partial earnings. Got everyone very excited. Today, full earnings came out this morning before the open, and basically EPS was in line with estimates, but revenue was down. The way the EPS was able to maintain the estimate was by cost cutting. Same story. It just seems across the board this earnings cycle. Interesting thing about FedEx, or not FedEx, but that makeup where we have this continued cost cutting. I don't know if it's necessarily a great thing for the long term because one company's costs are another company's revenue. So it'll be interesting to see if that comes back to bite us in the butt. Another similar multi-day reversal pattern is here in Chesapeake, CHK. Nice rollover here, very clear risk reward. Looking for a pullback. It could come back right back to this 25-ish level, which served as resistance. It could come back and set that in as a level of support. It would be bullish for the stock. I'm looking for just a quick move like that. So once again, counter trend, multi-day reversal, a very clear risk reward. That's the type of trade that I've been doing the best at recently, so I'm going to keep it going. The thing to watch the next couple days, next couple weeks is going to be oil, I think. Looking back at this 33 low, you see we have a series of higher lows, whereas this 72.50, 73-ish area has continued to be a source of supply in the oil market. So it's proved as very strong resistance multiple times. We had this false breakout, came right back down. It'll be interesting to see what happens here, but I'm looking for a move back down to the 50-day. Grab some USO puts for this quick 4 to 5% move down. Risk reward, very, very good. It's clear that the stop is above this trend line. I think oil is setting up for, coiling up for a very big move. It'll just be interesting to see which direction that is. Exxon, XOM, last chart, shows you that indecision. You see a series of lower highs in addition to a series of higher lows. This thing is also consolidating and coiling up for a very big move. It's unclear whether that move is going to be up or down. I also grabbed some puts in this one, looking for a move back down to the 68 level, back towards this ascending trend line. Thanks for watching.